Hi guys, Fred.Zent here from Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2020 Wolf Creek 850 truck camper. Come on in, I'm going to show you this camper. So when you come in here, you have your Fox landing steps. You can put them up while you're in transport. Nice heavy sturdy steps. Come on in. When you come in here, you got your half a dinette. This does tumble over. It's a jackknife bed. This table slides forward and back, and then up here you got either place for storage, or this folds down into a bunk. Then you got your refrigerator. If you come up here, you got your queen size bed. And then you got storage on both sides. And then you have also a fantastic fan up there in the center. Got storage here, and then you got a little cubby right here. Nice oval shaped stainless steel sink with a residential faucet. All right, and then over here you got your solar charge controller. There's a solar panel on the roof, and then your entertainment center, DVD, Bluetooth capable. Then you got your fantastic fan control, and then over here is all your tanks, so you can see how your black, your fresh, all your tanks are, and then your generator control as well. Got your microwave, hood combo, 3-burner cooktop. Behind the cooktop over here, you got some spots to store knives. And then you got 3 full extending drawers here. One here. This one does not have an oven, but you got a nice deep one for pots and pans, and then of course one for a wastebasket. And then right here, this is for to hang coats. This model is a wet bath model. Look at that big skylight there. Plenty of room in there, right? Come on outside and I'll show you the rest. Above here you have your power awning, full access to the roof. Guys, if you'd like more information on this Wolf Creek 850, give me a call. My name's Fred.Zent, 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.